Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Javeria Jaz. Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to present my object oriented programming project which is titled Train Reservation System. This project is developed in Python programming language. The main purpose of this project is to demonstrate how we can use programming concepts to solve real life problems like railway ticket booking. In real life, ticket booking can be time consuming and sometimes confusing. So this system is designed to make it simple, fast and efficient. In this presentation, I will explain the introduction, problem statement, features, workflow and complete working of the system step by step. First, we see the introduction. A train reservation system is a software application that helps passengers to book railway tickets digitally without going to the station physically. Basically, in traditional systems, passengers have to wait in long queues, fill forms manually, and sometimes face delays or errors. But with a computerized system, all these tasks become much easier and faster. This system allows users to check available trains, book seats, view ticket details, and cancel reservations if needed. So basically, this system improves convenience, reduces manual workload, and increases accuracy in ticket management. Next is objectives and features. The main objectives of this train reservation system are to make the booking process simple, fast and reliable. First objective is to allow users to book train tickets easily by entering basic passenger information. Second is to enable users to search for existing tickets whenever needed. Third is to provide the facility to cancel tickets if travel plans change. Another important objective is to store all data in an organized way so that it can be accessed easily. Overall goal is to design user-friendly system using object-oriented programming concepts. Next are the main features. This system includes several important features that make it practical and useful, like passenger registration, train selection, ticket booking, ticket search, ticket cancellation, view ticket details, etc. These features together make the system complete and efficient for handling basic railway reservation operations. Now, next is system workflow. I'm going to explain the workflow of whole system. This system follows a simple train reservation workflow. First, the user enters passenger details such as name and selects a train. After that, the system checks seat availability. If seats are available, the ticket is successfully booked. Then the system generates the ticket and saves all booking information. Finally, the confirmed ticket is displayed to the user. Basically, this project is designed using all the major concepts of programming fundamentals, which makes it a complete and practical application. First, variables are used to store basic information like passenger name, train name, and ticket details entered by the user. Lists are used to manage and store available trains so that users can easily view and select from multiple options. Then dictionaries are used to store ticket information in a structured format where each ticket has key value pairs like name and train details. Then next is loops are used to keep the program running continuously and display the main menu until the user chooses to exit. Next are conditions. Conditions are used to check different situations like seat availability or whether a ticket exists before cancellation. Next, functions. Functions are created for each major task like booking a ticket, searching records, and cancelling reservations to keep the code organized. Next, classes are used to group all related functions together, making the system structured and object-oriented. Last is file handling. File handling is used to store all reservation data permanently so that information is not lost when the program is closed. This slide shows the main program code for the train reservation system. First, we have a class named Train Reservation, which represents the overall system. In object-oriented programming, a class works as a blueprint that contains data and functions. Inside this class, there is a function called book ticket. This function is responsible for handling the ticket booking process. When the user runs the program, it asks for input. First, it takes the passenger's name and stores it in a variable. Then it asks for the train name and stores that as well. After collecting both inputs, the program displays a confirmation message, ticket booked successfully. This shows a simple flow of a reservation system where user input is taken and a response is given after processing. Although this is a basic variant, it helps us understand how classes, functions, and input-output work together in a real-life system. Now, when the program starts, the user is shown a main menu. This menu contains different options such as book ticket, view ticket, search ticket, cancel ticket, and exit. The user simply selects any option according to their requirement. For example, if the user wants to book a ticket, they will choose option 1. If they want to check an existing ticket, they can select the view or search option. This menu makes the system simple and interactive because all the main functions are available at one place. Now I will explain the ticket booking process. In this example, the user enters passenger details such as name, train name, departure, city destination, and seat number. After entering all the required information, the system processes the data and confirms the booking. Finally, the system displays a message like ticket booked successfully. This example shows how easily a passenger can book a ticket using this system without any manual process or waiting time. Now coming to the advantages of this train reservation system. The first advantage is that it saves time because users do not need to stand in long queue or fill manual forms. Secondly, it is easy to use, so even a beginner can operate it without any difficulty. Another advantage is fast processing or fast booking, as booking, searching, and cancellation all happen quickly in the system. It also provides accurate record management, which reduces human errors and keeps data properly organized. Overall, this system makes the reservation process more efficient, simple, and user-friendly compared to manual methods. Now coming to future enhancements of this system. In the future, this project can be improved by adding an online payment system so users can book and pay directly through the application. Another useful feature could be QR code tickets, which will make checking tickets easier at stations. We can also add live train tracking so passengers can see real-time updates of train arrival and departure. Additionally, SMS or email notifications can be included to inform users about their booking status and updates. So these improvements can make the system more advanced and closer to a real-world railway reservation system. Now I would like to conclude my presentation. In conclusion, the train reservation system is a practical and useful application of object-oriented programming. This system simplifies the reservation process by making it faster, more accurate, and more organized compared to traditional manual methods. Through this project, we can clearly see the importance of concepts like classes, objects, functions, and data management in Python programming. It not only improves efficiently but also reduces human errors and saves time for both passengers and system operators. Overall, this project is a small but effective example of how software development can improve everyday systems and make processes more convenient and reliable. So this was my presentation. I hope you have understood this presentation. I would be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. Take care and thank you once again.